In this instructional video, I will demonstrate a simple method to disable email notifications from Facebook. This measure is essential for minimizing distractions and maintaining focus, as incessant notifications can disrupt your workflow and personal time. To achieve this, navigate to your Facebook profile page and scroll down to the Settings option. Within the Settings page, locate the Notifications section under the Preferences category. Scroll down and tap on the Email section. Here, you can either tailor the notifications you wish to receive or simply disable all notification categories. By doing so, you will cease to receive any email notifications from Facebook. This straightforward process effectively eliminates email notifications from Facebook, allowing you to maintain a distraction-free environment and enhance your productivity.